Yes, honey.
What's the baby doing, Jessie?
What's the baby doing?
Sleeping.
Sleeping. Can you give your baby sister a kiss?
Oh, very nice.
Very cute.
Yeah. What are you doing? You cleaning her up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweep it up.
Sweep her up.
Yeah.
Oh, that's silly.
For now.
Oh, the balloons fell down. Yeah.
Put them back up.
I know. We should. Does she smell nice?
Yeah.
Can you smell her? Does she smell nice? You smell your baby sister? Babies are supposed to smell good. Does your baby sister smell good? Looks like you need to be sleeping. Yeah?
Baby, sleep on them.
Sometimes she does, yeah. What was she doing, Jessie? Look.
I get
Red light's on. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.